There's mommy. Well, you gotta wait for him to start moving. Spinning. Well, spin it. Keep it spinning. Keep it spinning. Keep it spinning. You gonna make Daddy's vertigo like that.
Oh, I'm sorry, Daddy.
Is my light green? Right here, on my head. Is the light green?
Yeah.
Okay. I just making sure we're recording. We're going up. Whee! Oh, wow. Are you spinning? Whee! Is it fun? Huh? Yes. You can look out. Look at all the people down there. Is there a bunch of people down there? A bunch of rides and people. There's your tugboat ride. There's the cars down there in the trees. Because you're high up in the air, aren't you? Yeah. Whee! Ha 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 ha. Oh, we spun. Whee! There we go. What do you think? Is it good or bad?
Good.
What's the good? Good. I think we're coming in for a landing. Yeah, we are. Time to land. There's Mommy. Don't put your lips on it, baby. It's dirty. People sit against it. I think we're stopping. Full and complete stop. Yeah. No, sit. No, you sit. You don't stand up. You wait for that. You wait. She'll come around and unhook it. You need to wait, okay? Was that fun? Look at me. Was it fun? All right.